Why Chiwenga snubbed ED birthday, the 18th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, as whispers of a presidential term extension grow louder within ZANU-PF corridors, Zimbabweans must confront a dangerous illusion. The idea that President Emerson Mnangagwa deserves to rule beyond 2030. This is not just unconstitutional. It is a betrayal of the very foundations of democracy. Zimbabwe's 2013 constitution, endorsed by millions in a national referendum, is clear: a president may serve only 2 5-year terms. No exceptions, no hidden clauses. Yet loyalists such as Daniel Garwe have floated the absurd claim that Mnangagwa lost years due to Cyclone Ida and COVID-19 and should be rewarded with extra time. This logic is not only insulting, it is dangerous. Crises are part of leadership. They do not suspend constitutional order. If every leader who governed during the pandemic demanded a bonus term, democracy worldwide would collapse. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's decision to skip the ZVAITWA birthday event was not mere coincidence. It was a statement. In a party increasingly dominated by cartels and patronage, Chiwenga's restraint signals a commitment to principle over theatrics. He remains the only senior figure who has not bowed to sycophancy. While others cheer for unconstitutional extensions, Chiwenga stands firm in defending the Constitution, resisting corruption, and refusing to legitimize political gamesmanship. Today, ZANU-PF is not the party of liberation. It is a party at war with its own values. The grassroots are disillusioned, the Constitution is under siege, and the optics of wealth and power are drowning out the voices of ordinary Zimbabweans. If tanks roll onto the streets, it will not be because of foreign interference. It will be because Zimbabweans are tired of being ignored, tired of being used, and tired of watching their future traded for political survival. Mnangagwa's term ends in 2028. Full stop. Any attempt to extend it is a direct assault on the Constitution, on dignity, and on history. General Chiwenga, many believe, is the man who can restore order, put ZANU-PF back on track, and defend the legacy of liberation. Zimbabwe is not for sale. The Constitution is not negotiable, and the people will not be silenced.